High knees. High knees. Mark or rock. Mark or rock. Yeah, just like that.
Back?
Yeah. Slow down to bring the knees higher.
Oh, I can never my knees higher, but I got it marking.
Yeah, you keep your arms up.
I think I'm mark.
Arms up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry, I don't know why my mind starts competing with one.
Yeah, just do the mark.
He's an athlete. I don't know why I start competing with him.
Oh.
Like he's like a.
I know, he's athlete.
He's been an athlete all his life, but I started competing with him when I just started my gym.
And now we're going to do heel kicks. Yeah. Yes.
Not a good idea. Don't eat before workout, guys.
Oh yeah.
That too.
Give yourself 45 minutes. Yeah.
That too. 2 meals. Oh God. What if I walk?
Yes. And then now we do hip openers. So the hips like this. And yeah, correct. And you walk forward. And the hips and you walk forward.
I think it was an injury because it's still recovering.
It's still recovering?
I thought it was a muscle thing because then...
Up and out.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's still recovering.
But is it feeling better than the first
Oh yeah, now I can move around. But there was a day I couldn't even get out of bed.
That's good sign. That lets me know.
Yeah.
The thing is, when you do these warm-ups correctly, then you don't get injured.
Yeah.
That's one thing I don't warm up before working out. So maybe that's why the muscles tense up.
Of course. That's what the warm-ups are for.
But it just feels like on the low handle it's like a pinch. So
Wait,
pinch.
no, you're supposed to rotate
It doesn't go.
You're supposed to rotate it out.
Like this? And out. That's like completely
Like this side I can, this side I can't. So
Yeah, that's
I feel pinch. आज मेरा न्यूट्रिशन प्लान आना है तो आज से आपकी बहन पतली होने लगी है वर्कआउट करके मैंने मुझे चाय का कप बनाया अब मैं मसाज चेयर पे बैठी हूँ फ़ोन डेड हो रहा है और उसके बाद ऊपर जाऊँगी तो बस काफ़ी अच्छा वर्कआउट था साथ में वो मेरा न्यूट्रिशन प्लान भी है जो मैंने फॉलो करना है इंशाल्लाह चलिए फिर मिलते हैं